So list of vehicles are given below, and some move fast, some move slow, some move fast. Put right mark in the correct column. So this is the question given in the page number page number 101. So as just now I shown you that these are the vehicles which are different type of vehicles: bicycle, slow moving vehicle on land, slow moving vehicle, bullock cart, slow moving vehicle, bus, land moving vehicle which carry people, and a train, that is fast moving vehicle which carry people and goods, and which also travel faster and cover long distance. Aeroplane, fastest means of transport but more costlier one. Few people and very fastest means of transport. Auto, it is slow moving vehicle with less people and covers short distance. Lorry, for carrying luggages. Horse cart for cover long short distance. Few people will be carried on the long land route. Bike, only one or two persons with some luggages and cover long and short distance both. Boat, it is the cover short distance only to cross the rivers and all. Boat is used. Few people can sit in the boat. So these are the few vehicles which move on the land, water and the air. But boat, it is moving on the water. So it is not on the land or the air. It moves on the water. So these are the few vehicles in page number 100. So now some list of vehicles are given below. Some move slow, some move fast. Put right mark in the correct column. So name of vehicles. Move slow, move fast. So here cycle, it is move slow, not fast. Okay. Bullock cart, move slow, not fast. And bus, move fast. Train, move fast. Aeroplane, move fast. Lorry, move fast. Lorry, move fast. Bike, move fast. This way. So these are the different vehicles. So bicycle, it is move slow. Then roller car, slow moving, bus, fast moving, train, fast moving, aeroplane, fast moving, lorry and bike also fast moving. In this way, so bicycle, slow moving, not fast moving. Roller car, slow moving, not fast moving. Bus, train, aeroplane, lorry, bike, these all are fast moving, not slow moving. So these are the few slow moving and fast moving vehicles on the land. Understood? So now next question. Let me write it. So you can see here activity here. So you can see here Rahim. His name is Rahim, and his hometown is Karwar. He is living in the Karwar, and his grandfather's house is in Udupi. So he want to now living to his grandfather's house, that is Udupi, from Karwar to Udupi. So which vehicle should Rahim travel to reach his grandfather's home early? From Karwar to Udupi, which vehicle he have to choose is, that is, he must choose a bus so that he can reach from Karwar to Udupi. He must prefer bus so that he can reach faster to his grandfather's house, Udupi. Understood? So from Karwar to Udupi, he has to go by bus. So here is another girl called Harini. She want to go to her grandmother's house. So she is from where? From Shimoga to Tumkur. So grandmother's house from Shimoga to Tumkur. She is from Shimoga. From Shimoga to Tumkur she have to go. So she have to, among these two, auto and train, she have to select a train so that she will reach Tumkur very faster. Understood? So she can reach her grandmother's house Tumkur by train, is the comfortable and fast moving vehicles for her. Now here is one more activity for you to write. So this is first one. Second one. Second activity. Name of vehicles are given below. Name of vehicles are given below. Right where they move in the following table. Right where they move in the following table. In the following table. So this is the question. Right, name of vehicles are given below. Right where they move in the following table. So second question it is. Now here vehicles move online. Vehicles move online. On water, in air. In this way we have to last much ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ So bus, lorry, bike, car, bullock cart, and box car. So here water and ship, aeroplane, helicopter. So these are the few vehicles that is So these are the few vehicles move on the land, which move on the water and then move on the air. Bus, lorry, bike, car, bullock cart, horse cart, all the vehicles move on the land. Boat and ship move on the water. Aeroplane and helicopter, all the vehicles move in the air. In this way, different vehicles move in the different columns. So these are the two questions from the lesson is given here. So you can see here also activity, join the, some vehicles are given here, join the dots and color. So recognize the vehicles. This is the bus and this is the aeroplane, this is the boat. So you can given in page number 105. So you can whenever I told you, you can join the dots and the color. So these are the vehicles given for you. Then match the following. Here let me show you. So here bicycle, and it is carrying, it can carry one person. So it is the first one. Lorry will carry luggages, two, and bus carry people, third one. Boat will carry these people who are standing near the water. So this is the fourth one. So you can match them according to how I told you. Understood? So this is the match following, and these are the things for you to answer. So this is about the lesson travel day 1. Understood? So you can take down in your classwork neatly both the questions. This is about the lesson travel day 1. Thank you.